guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing some nude coffin set nails, and these are going to be really simple. The design is going to be all in nude powder with some pixie crystals and AB stones. So I'm just dehydrating and priming her nails. I'm using ASP Dehydrator and NoLiftNails primer. I apply both of those twice, and then I'm gonna go in with a bead of clear acrylic and just apply a very thin layer of the clear just on the natural nail and blend it down the tip. These tips are just regular square clear tips that I shaped up to be coffin shape.
Inside you, so much more than people know.
I'm using my number 12 oval alpha brush. My discount code is FEMI10 if you want to get 10% off.
There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation, you should live for all the hype.
So this nude is a custom mixed nude. It's kind of like a mixture of DVD cover peach, some pinks from Banggood, and some brown. It's like every time I go in to use a nude, I either make it a little bit more peach, a little bit more pink, so it constantly changes colors. I never really have this same nude every time. I'm just applying this to all 10 nails and encapsulating with clear acrylic.
Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you, you've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be.
Fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze for days. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door.
So after file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm going to apply some Crystal Pixie. This is like a Crystal Pixie dupe that I got off Amazon for like super cheap, and it looks pretty much the exact same. I'm going to have the link down below. I'm going to put it on first with Builder Gel. This is an IBD Clear Builder Gel I got from Sally's. And I'm putting a real generous amount, that way the crystals can really sink down into the gel. And then I'm going to take my finger and just really press them down in the gel and contour them around the edge of the nail before I cure. So I'm also going to apply some AB stones. This is the IBD 5 seconds glue, which is $4.19 at Sally's, and I've been really enjoying it so far. I've used it on a couple people to apply stones, and it's kind of become my new stone glue. And I think the trick to really getting it to work is you don't apply it to top coat, always apply it to a freshly filed nail. Put down a generous amount and put it all around and on top of the stones as well, and that's really like the key to making sure that it works really well. If you want extra security, go ahead and top coat it, which is what I do. Someone noticed in my last video that when I top coated the stones, they still maintained their shape, and I'm not sure why that happens. I think it's this type of stone that I got from eBay. These are the fake Swarovski crystals, so they kind of have like I think they have like a different shape, like they're a little bit more pointy. I honestly don't know, but the IBD Intense Seal Gel just kind of like goes with the shape a little bit. It doesn't take away from the shape too much of the stone, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this glue because it's half the price of Zule's, so anywhere I can save a little bit of money is awesome. And I definitely want to like share any tips or tricks with you guys. So I'm just blinging out these nails, and I'm gonna let the glue completely dry. Another thing I really enjoy about this glue is that the glue dries really fast, within about 5 seconds at max. It takes like a minute if you put down a lot of it, but it really dries fast, so you can get to top coating right away. So now I'm just gonna top coat and cure. For the Pixie crystal nail, I also put the glue on top of the Pixie crystals just for extra security, because in the past the builder gel was not enough to really keep them down. So I put the glue on there about twice, like 2 layers of glue, let that dry, and then I'm going to top coat with gel as well. So we have like a 3-layer system with this Pixie crystal, because this client is going out of town and I don't want her nails to look, you know, janky while she's out and she can't come see me to get them fixed. So I'm doing the utmost. And yeah, top coating crystal pixies does take away from the effect a little bit, but I would rather the nail maintain the design than have the crystals fall off.
You're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside.
And I'm wiping the sides of the nails before I cure, just so that I don't lose my coffin shape too much. So this is after applying cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!